Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make a cool text in Adobe Illustrator. So first you need to type your text by choosing Tab Tools or press letter T. So my text here is Manchester City, and then you need to select this text. But when you select this text, you must press the Ctrl and the left click of the mouse. So I click now by pressing the Ctrl button and click on the left mouse. Okay, and then I go to Objects and then choose the envelope Distort, make with wrap. Okay, here you can see the cool text styles. Here is arc, and there are a lot of the style also, so you can play around. And here is the preview. If you don't tick it, you cannot see the real one. Okay, so here I change to zeros, and you can play around with this style. Okay, thank you everyone, hope this video helped you. Goodbye.